Hello guys, good morning. In this video, I am going to tell the real hero of Bihar. Yes, you heard exactly what I am trying to say. Yes, I am talking about the Dasrath Manji. He is also known as Mountain Man. So let's start. I am going to tell the real story of Dasrath Manji. So, Dasrath Manji was born on 14th January 1929 at Gehlor in India. Gehlor, where is? It is, this place is near to Gaya. So, he is also known as Mountain Man. He, he was a laborer in Gehlor village near Gaya in Bihar, जो कि इंडिया में है. He was born into a Mushar family. Mushar family, what is? It is the lowest rank of India's caste system. And he ran away from his home at young age and worked in the coal mines in Dhanwad, Jharkhand. So later he returned to the village of Gehlor and married Faguni Devi. After his return to Gehlor, Manji became an agricultural laborer. So when his wife died in 1959 due to injury caused by falling from a mountain, means वो माउंटेन से गिर गई थी. अब वो कैसे गिरी थी? वो लंच लेकर जा रही थी दशरथ मांझी के लिए. उनका पैर फिसल गया. सो what? Dasrath Manji was shocked and he decided to carve a path of 110-meter long, 9.1 meter wide, and 7.7 meters deep through a ridge of hills using only hammer and chisel. मीन्स उन्होंने जो माउंटेन था उससे रास्ता बनाने के लिए डिसाइड किया. बट व्हेन ही स्टार्टेड दिस, what people say? They are saying that, means they called they called him lunatic, means उन्हें पागल समझ रहे थे. But he ignored it. And he, after 22 years of work, means उनको ये काम करने में 22 years लग गया. वो माउंटेन को हटाकर, मीन्स माउंटेन को तोड़ फोड़ कर उन्होंने रास्ता बनाया. तो इस वर्क को करने के लिए उन्होंने 22 years स्पेंड किया. So Dasrath Manji sought and travel between the Atri and Wazirganj blocks of Gaya town from 55 km to 15 km. He traveled to New Delhi to get recognition of his work and was rewarded by the Chief Minister of Bihar, Nitish Kumar. मीन्स नीतीश कुमार के थ्रू उन्हें रिवार्डेड किया गया था. सो इन 2006 इंडियन पोस्ट इशूड ए पोस्टेज स्टैम्प फीचरिंग हिम. मीन्स उनके बारे में बताया गया, दशरथ मांझी के बारे में. थ्रू मॉक्ड ऑफ हिज एफर्ट्स, मांझीज वर्क हैड मेड हिज लाइफ ईजियर फॉर पीपल ऑफ गहलौर विलेज. मीन्स गहलौर विलेज के लोग क्या करते थे? मीन्स माउंटेन से ही, मीन्स रास्ता नहीं था अदर प्लेस पे जाने के लिए, तो माउंटेन से ही जाया करते थे. तो बहुत ज़्यादा दिक्कत वाली बात थी. इसी वजह से उनकी वाइफ का डेथ हुआ. सो ऑफिशियल रोड्स बिटवीन हिज विलेज एंड वजीरगंज, अत्री एंड गया वर ओनली बिल्ट वेयर हिज बर्थ was after his death in 2007. And Dasrath Manji was diagnosed with gallbladder cancer and was admitted to the All Indian Institute of Medical Science. उन्हें एम्स में भर्ती किया गया, एम्स में एडमिट किया गया. इन न्यू दिल्ली ऑन 23rd July 2007. He died there on 17th August 2007. In August 2015, a Hindi movie Manji the Mountain Man was released and well received. Means बहुत ज़्यादा वो फेमस हुआ. The movie was directed by Ketan Mehta and Nawazuddin Siddiqui played the role of Manji along with Radhike Apte as Fogni Devi. So today, Dasrath Manji is not alive, but his name's alive. His name is alive, but why? Because his deeds will remain him alive forever. Means उन्होंने ऐसा काम ही किया कि उनका काम ही उनको alive रख रहा है. So his self confidence inspires all the people. If once you decide, you can even break highest of mountain to achieve your dreams. So well begun is half done. Means आप किसी चीज़ का शुरुआत बहुत अच्छे से कर रहे हो, इसका मतलब वो चीज़ आधा हो चुका है.